Want to create stunning presentations in minutes? Discover how Pi uses AI to automatically generate professional slides, images, and videos all in one place. Stay tuned. Let's go to Google and search for Pi, then click the very first link. I have also provided the link in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Pi. Presentations are now easier than ever with Pi. Simply enter your presentation topic and Pi's agent will turn your ideas into a polished, professional presentation. The rest of the work will be done automatically with the help of Pi. You can also add attachments to make your presentation more detailed and accurate. The best part is that using this one tool, you can generate AI videos, AI images, and complete one-click presentations, and use all of them directly inside your presentation. From now on, say goodbye to using different tools to generate images and videos for your presentations. Use one single tool for everything. Below the homepage, you can see how different people use Pi to create different styles of presentations. You can also create this type of presentation easily. To get started, first you need to log in. You can log in with your email address or Google account. For this demonstration, I will use my email address. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see different options. You can create image presentations, use one-click generation to create polished slides from your existing content, use agent mode to deeply research and create content for complex topics, or start from a blank page. For this demonstration, we will use agent mode. Click on Agent Mode and type your presentation topic .now in the prompt bar. I will enter my presentation topic, create a professional and engaging presentation on how artificial intelligence is transforming our daily life. Conduct a thorough web search to include the latest information and real-world examples. After entering the prompt, press Enter. Pi will now start searching the web. It will search through multiple websites and gather useful information about our topic. Here, we can see all the relevant information appearing on our canvas. With the help of this tool, we can use the web search feature to collect the most useful and up-to-date information about our topic, and this information will be used to create the best possible presentation. Now, we need to select the presentation settings. From here, we need to set the detailed parameters of our presentation. First, select the language of your presentation. Different languages are available, so pick the best one according to your need. Next, select the number of content pages. You can choose from the available options or add a custom number of pages. For this demonstration, we will let Pi decide automatically. After that, select the target audience of your presentation. This is one of the most important parts. You can pick your audience from the available options or customize it according to your need. Then, fill in the additional settings to include any extra information you want in your presentation. Finally, select the theme. Different themes are available. You can choose from scene, style, and color options. Pick the one that best matches your requirement. Once everything is done, click Submit. You can see all the selected parameters on the screen. Pi will now start generating the outline of your presentation. Please be patient. Once the outline is ready, you can see every detail about your presentation clearly. Using this outline, Pi will generate the full presentation for us. Now we need to confirm the PPT generation. Here, we can see that Pi will generate 21 pages of slides. Click Confirm to proceed. Pi will now generate the full presentation based on our requirements. It will take a few seconds, so please be patient. Once the presentation is ready, we can see a beautiful, professional presentation. Every slide is perfectly matched with our requirements. Using this tool, we can create such a wonderful presentation easily. We can also share, export, and edit our presentation. To edit the presentation, click on Modify. From here, we can edit any text and make changes according to our needs. For example, I will add the text, AI makes it possible. After that, we can change the text color, adjust the text size, and highlight the text according to our need. With this tool, we can generate a presentation and edit it exactly the way we want. We can also add AI-generated image cards. If needed, we can generate a new image card and change the card layout. From the layout settings, we can change the card color, vertical alignment, overlay effects, and more. We can also use the AI writing assistant to improve our writing, fix spelling and grammar mistakes, and translate the presentation into different languages. This tool helps us create a perfect presentation every time. Now, let's generate an image. Click on AI Image Edit. From here, we can add an image, describe what we want, and make changes. We can also choose from different image generation models such as GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Select the image aspect ratio according to your need. In the prompt bar, I will type a modern family using AI-powered devices at home smart speaker, smartphone, voice assistant, smart lights, and smart watch. Once everything is ready, press enter. Pi will start processing and generating the image. Please be patient. Once the image is ready, we can see a high-quality image generated with the help of this amazing tool. For this image, we used the Nano Banana Pro model. With this tool, we can create such wonderful images and use them directly in our presentation to make it more attractive. Now, click on Theme. From here, we can change the theme of our presentation easily. I will select a new theme and it will instantly appear on our canvas. This is one of the best features of this amazing tool. Everything updates instantly and looks perfectly formatted. We can also change the page settings. From here, we can change the card style, adjust the content, switch to mobile preview, and access more main settings to customize our presentation. Now, let's export our presentation. Click on Export. From here, we can add collaborators, share the presentation through a link, or export it in different formats such as PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, and long image. For this demonstration, I will select Export as PowerPoint. Once the export is complete, let's open and see the presentation. Wow, amazing! We have created such a wonderful presentation with the help of Pi. Using this tool, we can create a full presentation simply by describing our idea. Pi searches the web, gathers useful information, and generates beautiful slides easily and effortlessly. I highly recommend you use Pi to generate presentations like this. Now, let's explore one more feature: AI video. Click on AI video, then click on Generate a new video based on your requirement. From here, you can select a frame, add a reference image or reference video, and customize according to your needs. In the prompt bar, I will type a modern family beginning their day using artificial intelligence, a smart mirror displaying weather and calendar events, and an AI voice assistant managing household tasks. After entering the prompt, select the video model. 2 different video generation models are available, so pick the best one according to your need. Then select the aspect ratio. For this demonstration, I will select 9:16. With this tool, we can generate HD quality videos and select the resolution as well. The best part is that we can generate videos up to 15 seconds long. I will select 15 seconds. Once everything is ready, press enter. Pi will now generate the video based on our prompt. Please be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play it.
AI assistant, could you adjust the thermostat and remind Sarah about her dentist appointment?
Of course. Thermostat adjusted. Reminder set.
Wow, amazing! We can generate such a high quality and detailed video easily using Pi. I highly recommend you try this amazing tool. From now on, say goodbye to using different tools individually. With Pi, you can create presentations, generate videos, generate images, and use those images and videos directly inside your presentation to make it more attractive and professional. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.